The introduction of trade discount. The trade discount system facilitates mutually beneficial transactions within the supply chain, allowing retailers to acquire goods at reduced prices, encouraging bulk purchases and efficient inventory turnover. This practice helps manufacturers and wholesalers maintain competitive pricing structures while empowering retailers to enhance their profit margins through discount acquisition costs. A problem statement of single trade discount. A mobile phone retailer in Malaysia is buying a shipment of smartphones from a supplier. The supplier offers a trade discount of 50% on the market prices in Ringgit Malaysia. Calculate the final cost for the retailer if they order 30 smartphones, each originally priced at 2,000 Ringgit Malaysia.
Trade discount amount D equal list price multiply trade discount rate. D equal L multiply D. Net price NP equal list price minus trade discount amount. NP equal L minus L multiply D. NP equal L 1 minus D. For single trade discount, NP equal L 1 minus D. For the second trade discount, NP equal L minus D. For the third, D equal D multiply L. For the fourth, D equal L minus NP. A retailer purchased a batch of electronic gadget with a list price of 5,000 from the wholesaler. The wholesaler offered a trade discount of 50% on the list price. Additionally, the retailer received another discount of 3% if the payment is made within 10 days. Calculate the final amount the retailers need to pay after applying both trade discount. Do retailers get a reasonable price? For the chain trade discount, NP equal L 1 minus D1 1 minus D2. Single trade evaluate rate D equal 1 minus 1 minus D1 1 minus D2.
The solution to find a final cost for single trade discount. Firstly, you must find a list price for 30 smartphones. 2,000 ringgit measure multiply with 13 equal 16,000 ringgit measure. Secondly, you must find a trade discount amount. You can choose the method such as D equal list price multiply trade discount rate. 16,000 ringgit measure multiply with 0.15 equal 9,000 ringgit measure. The last one, you can find a final cost. You can use a method such as net price equal list price minus with trade discount amount. 16,000 ringgit measure minus with 9,000 ringgit measure equal 51,000 ringgit measure.
NP equal L 1 minus D1 1 minus D2 equal 5,000 1 minus 0.15 1 minus 0.03 equal 5,000 0.85 0.97 equal 5,000 0.8245 equal 4,122.50 cents. In conclusion, trade discount offers societal advantages by promoting economic efficiency, stimulating competition, and ultimately leading to lower costs for businesses. This cost reduction contributes to more competitive pricing, benefiting consumer, fostering economic growth, and elevating overall living standards.
Now I will talk about retailing mathematics. Retailing mathematics is a set of mathematical formulas that retailers or owner of business use. Retailers use these mathematical formulas To solve problems related to stocking merchandise, pricing items, and managing inventory. Retailing maths refer to the calculation of financial metrics that are specific to retail industry. These metrics include sales metrics, inventory metrics, and profitability metrics.
The example of problem statement for retailing mathematics is, as you can see at slide, Natasha is the owner of a flower shop. Every week, she will get a 50 bouquet of fresh flower from the supplier, and the total of bouquets cost her 1,500 ringgit. The markup is around 25% based on cost. Natasha wants to know the selling price for each bouquet of flowers and the profit that she earns.
These are methodology of retailing mathematics. We have 5 terms that we use, which is C for cost, original, and catalog price. The second one is SP, which stands for selling price. The third one is M for markup, or GP for gross profit. And the last one is MD, which stands for markdown. These are formulas that retailers use. The first one is C plus M equals to SP. The second one is M minus SP equals to C. The third one is C minus SP equals to M. And last one is percentage multiplied to C or SP equals M.
The solution or result to find the selling price for each bouquet of flowers is, first, you need to bring out the shared information from the problem statement. C, which is cost, equal to 1,500 ringgit Malaysia, and M, which is markup, equal to 25%, equal to 0.25. Now we have to find the markup based on cost. M equal to 25% multiple cost. Then M equal to 0.25 multiple 1,500 ringgit. And the answer for markup is 375 ringgit Malaysia. Then, to find the selling price, you have to use selling price equal to cost plus markup formula. Selling price equal to 375 ringgit Malaysia plus 1,500 ringgit Malaysia. Selling price equal to 1,875 ringgit Malaysia. Next, selling price equal to 1,875 ringgit Malaysia divide with 50 ringgit Malaysia bouquets of flowers to find for each bouquet. The result for selling price equal to 37 ringgit Malaysia 50 cent for each bouquet. Next, to find the cost for each bouquet of flowers from supplier, 1,500 ringgit Malaysia have to divide with 50 ringgit Malaysia, and the answer is 30 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, to find the profit that Natasha earns for one bouquet of flowers, we have to use M, which is markup, equal to selling price minus cost formula. Profit, which is M, equal to 37 ringgit 50 cent minus 30 ringgit. The profit that Natasha earns is 7 ringgit Malaysia 50 cent.
This is the discussion of the problem statement. The bouquets of flower that Natasha sells worth the price because for each bouquet from supplier, it costs Rm 30 ringgits, and Natasha sells back for Rm 37 ringgits and 50 cents for one bouquet. She earns a profit of 7 ringgits and 50 cents for each bouquet of flower that she sold.
Next, the conclusion for retailing math. It is an essential tool for lower-level employees such as cashiers to correctly and quickly complete transactions. It is also used by managers to make decisions about pricing, sales, and inventory. Additionally, retail math can be used to calculate and analyze trends in the industry. Retail math also plays a role in our lives in various ways such as pricing and budgeting, and helps to identify trends and opportunities in business.